Good morning, homies. It's X Ninja Tech X here. Just eating breakfast. Trying to have some energy for shooting today. It's February 19th on a Monday. Today we got the day off because I guess President's Day is a holiday where I work. But I'll take it. We got some overcast here. It's probably like around low 50s here in the desert in Nevada. Las Vegas, United States, you know. Got two rifles I'm going to be shooting today. My Ruger Precision 5.56. I love that gun. And then I have my Ruger Takedown in that little bag. It's my Takedown Light. Just got it. Trying to zero that in. But let me eat breakfast first and I'll start shooting after. So check this out. I just came up with an idea. I mean, probably you guys figured this out a long time ago, but I just figured it out right now. We're gonna have some fun shooting some ketchup packets. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. All right, so you wanna know why I'm called X Ninja Tech X? Pretty much, I like gadgets. I'm a tech guy. I work in IT. But I also engineer a lot of stuff because I don't want to spend a lot of money. Well, let me introduce to you my shooting table. Bench, table, whatever. It's pretty strong, sturdy, reliable, customizable, high tech, ninja tech. Check it out. Alright, I bought these legs off Amazon. Used them and mounted a 2x4 underneath with some plywood on top. Got the foam at Harbor Freight, which is like a mom and pop tool store. A great place, I love it. Get all my tools there. Look, I even got the stool there. Stool, 20 bucks. This thing even has hydraulics to go up and down. These legs right here, 41 bucks on Amazon. They're rated to hold up to 1,000 pounds. So, with that said, if your gun weighs 1,000 pounds, this table can hold it. Alright, I also got this on Amazon. I just built this into a table. This right here is just a wrapped up towel with some Velcro and those drawer liners or whatever. It's like kind of grippy. Simple, you know, this thing can go up and down. You know, this thing, I forgot, was like maybe like 15 bucks on Amazon. This foam mat comes in four pieces that are about maybe like 8-9 bucks for 4 pieces. It really helps. The wood at Home Depot, this is a 4x2 piece of wood. You know, I didn't have to cut it, I didn't do anything. Probably cost me about like 8 bucks at Home Depot. Check this out. You'll know that, yeah, it's kind of like what do you call that, short right here, but there's a reason for that. The reason for that is when you put this table on its side, look, you can ding up the table all you want, but it will never touch the edges. So it's kind of like a safety, a protection to keep the rubber pieces from getting scraped up. Look, I already dropped it and it didn't even touch the rubber because I left that gap. But you know, I glued this down with Elmer's wood glue. These buckets at Home Depot, you can get them for like 2 or 3 bucks. Things right here, these utility storages for them. You can put whatever you want in there. It's pretty sturdy. And the cool thing is that these things are multi-purpose. I would say you can use this to sit down. It's actually meant to be sat on, and that's the cool thing. And then I got this right here to keep all my tools: screwdriver, paint can, gloves. So it's multi-purpose, storage and extra chairs if you have people with you. Here's, check out what's in mine. Just make sure that when you're using this, that these tabs are locked, so that when you pull it out. There you go. I got my drill. I got some steel targets, chains. This is a 10-inch target right here. This big bad boy. You know, you got all that glass in the bottom. You know, all the needs. And then this one right here. It's pretty cool. This one's actually got my other tools in it. You got your, you know, head. You know, probably ammo. Keep some ammo. Got some parts, spare parts. So again, multi-purpose. You know, on the cheap, I'm all about saving money in places where I can, so I can save money for like bullets and like, you know, cool stuff like gun cases. Well, actually, this gun case is Plano, And I got this on Amazon again for like 107 bucks. Love it. I got my spotting scope on Amazon. I'm an Amazon guy. Love Amazon Prime. This is a 60 by 60. Pretty good. Pretty decent for the price. It's like 60-70 bucks for that. I got these Caldwell bags. I love this one right here to keep my buttstock elevated. Love it. This thing right here, the Velcro though, I had to use I had to take the regular, what was it, like, I don't know, regular size half-inch width Velcro, and I cut it in half. The reason why is because as you're squishing this, you have more of this rubber to kind of grip your stock, your handguard. So you can position this anywhere what you want because you built it, you know what I mean? Like, oh yeah, check this out. I made holes. Looks like brass knuckles, but it's actually, I measured my hand, I just drilled holes, and now you can just carry it. Look at that. How easy is that? Oh, these legs fold up too. Pretty good stuff. Gun case and weapon of choice. This gun case is a Plano rifle. I think I got this on Amazon. So this is my rifle case from Amazon. Love it, love it. It uses that pull foam features, all like little squares right here. Check this out. So I got my XD Springfield Armory, and I had slots. I cut out some foam for my mags. If you want to know, I actually put the extra foam in there to kind of raise it up a bit so that it doesn't sit in deep. You don't need a flashlight. So put a flashlight in there, you know, just pop out one of the squares. Look at that. That space. I painted my barrel yesterday, so that's pretty cool. It's supposed to be copper, but it looks brown. So whatever. I like it. Just repaint it again. You know, we all need knives, you know, you gotta cut stuff. So, you know, cut a slot out, like, you know, pouches. I got tools in here. My mags, 3 mags. Got my reload tool for my mags. Oh, this is what I got. I got this MonoPOD system. I added the grip, so we're gonna test that out today. This one actually has a button here where if you elevate, got my Vortex, my favorite scope, 41642. It's the Diamondback HP. Love it, love it. So check it out. Let's see how this thing shoots in this wind. Oh, here. This is the desert. This is my shooting ground right here. Las Vegas desert. Right next to the 7 Magic Mountains, for sure. Those colorful locks you've probably seen on social media. Start shooting. So here's some more info on this. So you just replace the grip there, and this pretty much slides in like so. And you can spin for fine adjustments or push this button, which will extend it. Pretty cool. You need to buy the grip though. And there's a button right here. I don't know if you can see it, but you push this button and it releases it. And they sell different other mods that go in here that you can actually put storage space, like a couple matches, I guess, whatever. They have another one you can hold a flashlight that goes in here, and some extra ammo. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try this out and see how it works. Oh, I also picked this up. Pretty cool. My ears are not the same shape as many people have, and my earplugs keep falling out. Can't use those foam things. So Decibullz, I got on Amazon. You put them in hot water and then you mold them into your ear, and then you can actually create the exact shape of your ear. This is very streamlined. When you put it in your ear, you can actually mush it to kind of flatten out. I'm gonna be shooting this right here. 5.56. And these clips. target. Let's try to get that blood pack. All gone. Range target. Try to find that target number 1. Let's try the big gong again. Gong on the right. Alright, this target actually fell, but as you can see, I put the tag right here, and I shot it, some splatter, and So I did hit those ketchup packets, and I'm pretty happy because 300 yards. I thought it was gonna be like more ketchup all over the place, but ketchup just kind of exploded and didn't leave much splatter. But what did I learn today? I learned I can shoot in the wind. Maybe it's not the windiest ever, but at 300 yards on a windy day, I can hit ketchup packets. It's pretty dope. But I need to go home and put everything away, and that will be it. Call it a day. Later, homies. Have a safe one.